Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo app. In this page we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us.